takeaway for the trip is that there is something called the Noceums. Well, it looks like we finally made it. Alright, so there's the tour of the room. I've heard that there were some man-o-wars around here, so we gotta be careful of some of those, don't you think? Mine is a bull shark, so it's pretty cool. Alright. Look at that bird. And there's also another one. Oh. Alright. Okay. I know that. Oops. Taking a could be lemon sharks around here. Oh jeez. Okay, there we're just use. Oh boy. Time for me to lost my something, and here comes again. Oh boy. Let's try that again, shall we? Me and the ducky swimming in the sea, trying to survive without giving me my snore. Okay, so I came back from the ocean, and I couldn't ride the ducky for some technical difficulties, but luckily tomorrow I'll be able to get it free for the rest of the day. Oh, that's quite something. Also, you're probably wondering why I have these on. I don't have my glasses at the moment. Also, I did want to show the little painting that I did, and right over here is my brother's. Don't know if it's finished or not, but it looks pretty cool at this state right now.
She said she goes, it's like having your own Starbucks.
Yeah. Alright, so I got the other goods for my siblings, and we'll be going pretty soon. I know you're there. Alright, enjoy.
What happened here?
I said there was a little bit of stain. Maybe.
Alright, so I'm recording you now, Jonah.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna put our friend John in the video too. There's John Comperta in the video. And And there's Joan on his ducky. Uh-huh. And let's spin around. Let's get the Vero Beach Disney Resort.
All right. So, you feel fine?
Yeah.
All right. Just make sure that you know where you're floating.
You filming me?
A little bit.
Yes.
Okay. Just be careful you don't float out too far. Okay. Okay. Don't worry. I'm coming. I'm coming. Okay. Don't worry. You're okay. 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 Don't worry. Okay. Just get you a little closer to mainland. Okay. There you go. Giving him a little bit of a turn. All right. Hey, are you sure you feel comfortable?
Yeah.
All right.
Can we get on again?
Yeah, it is. What did you have from that? I had a Mediterranean pita yesterday.
Here, you want to hold on to this?
Okay. Maybe when Kaylin comes down, I could give her a little bit of a ride. Right or left? No, it's the other way. And then...
I actually want to be in the back.
Wait, you want us both to go on? Is that even allowed? Well,
I'm going farther.
hey, don't worry, I'm gonna hold you in case if you do. It's not too deep. Just don't think
You're
about.
making me go farther, Jonah.
Kaylin, hey Kaylin. Oh look, Kaylin. Up this one. Don't worry.
No, I don't want to go farther. I don't want to go
No,
farther.
Kaylin. Don't worry.
I was a lifesaver, lifeguard. Nothing, I will not let anything happen to you. 100%, I promise you, you're fine. I promise you.
Hey, case this is just here. Don't worry.
You're not gonna go anywhere, girl.
Yeah? I will save you. Well, you don't need to be safe because you're fine.
Don't turn me over here.
Guys!
Hey,
Little shark!
Oh,
A little shark. I'm here, John is here. You're nothing's gonna happen.
I'm here. What about me?
Joan is here. We got 3 people. Your mother
I'll
helped.
put you
Your
on my
mother would come out and
shoulder.
try to save you.
Where's Mommy?
I don't even know. Where did she go?
Plus you ate a whole thing of Fruit Loops, that'll keep you floating.
So, say what I say, please. Please like and subscribe. Don't.
Please like and subscribe, I guess.
Ain't too bad. How likely is it to find stonefish out here?
Stonefish? I don't know what a stonefish is.
Stonefish are in fact venomous, so obviously you wouldn't want to get through them.
Oh,
No.
I've never heard of that happening.
I
I don't think it's very likely.
I don't really think so, considering that there aren't that many places for a stonefish to be.
Yeah, this is pretty... I haven't stepped on anything yet. I've been out here an hour.
Alright, how does it feel to be out here? How does it feel to be out here? How does it feel to be out here? Here's the strap. Here's the strap.
Lose, I already did. I think John got a look.
Okay, I already got
It's
this.
hard to get on.
Alright.
Okay, I'm on.
Okay.
I'm getting there.
Okay. Okay.
I'm on the dock.
Okay. Yes. Alright, your turn.
Doesn't feel like there's much. If I get one of these, I want to have surf. Oh yeah.
Here goes Shannon.
Coming down next in the boys category, we have Banana Lightyear.
Banana Lightyear.
Banana Lightyear, you got a time of 12:40.